The perfect design, but still discreet. One could describe the BMW 3.0 CSI as a diamond of automobile history.
Without a plan to treat me a please. I know what you needed, let's not discuss it. Quiet with all of that fussing. Nothing that's good turned out to be easy. So give me the reason, we should rush it. You might wanna play with my heart and say that it's love, it's some of my budget. You tryna tell me the way that you moving is not an ulterior motive. Interior plush, I'm the coldest. I don't blame you for wanting to side with me. Reality bounce back, don't allow that. From the brown grass in the front yard, made it real false. Come real, baby, don't lie to me, just lie with me. I need you to slide with me, come ride with me. I'ma spend time on you, got eyes for you, but it's pride in me. So I keep my cup full and my trust in us. So you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path, need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents, I bet they asking who is that. You seeing what I'm on, but you don't know me like that. So you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path, need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents, I bet they asking who is that. You seeing what I'm on, but you don't know me like that. Don't come in and tease.
A German classic, a car that made more than just a statement in the BMW industry. A car based on comfort and class that has made an impact years later in the South African car scene. The BMW E9.
Dynamically, harmoniously. Just as with the suit, it is the perfection which this vehicle timelessly displays almost 40 years after its appearance.
Do you indeed think that there is life on other planets? Do you think there's life on other planets?
Oh, I don't know.
Would you like to think about it for a second?
Oh, not really.
Tell me, do you think there is life on other planets?
Well, I'm not quite sure, but I suppose it would be.
No, he seems definitely. You seem definitely. How do you see this life and where?
Oh, I've seen a flying saucer.
You've seen one?
Yes,
When
definitely. At Lane Cove,
When was this?
1953.
You don't think this is a figment of your imagination?
Several other people with me saw it.
You all had the same figment. What did it look like?